Hi guys, welcome back to Fishing in the UK. Today we're fishing the River Tyne in Hebburn. We're fishing a local mark known as Church Bank. I've fished here a few times in the past. We've had codlin from here before, white and flatties. The tide's on its way in, so hopefully we'll have something on film for you. The rig I'm using today is a pulley panel rig. I'm going to be using a sand eel squid wrap for bait. First of all, take your sand eel and put it on your hook. Next, secure it with the bait elastic. Once that's secure, take your squid, stick the hook through the bottom of it and wrap your squid around the sand eel. And then secure that with your bait elastic. Once that's nice and secure, I'm going to take the top hook, slide it down the line, wrap the line round a couple of times and then stick it through the top of your squid. And that'll secure your bait. The reel I'm using today is the Pen 525 Mag 2, and loaded onto that I've got 30 pound mono. It's what I'm having to deal with now. Because the tide's going out, there's clumps of weed rolling down the river. I think I'll have one more cast, see how it goes, see if we can catch a bigger one. Well guys, thanks for watching. That's all I've got time for today. It's starting to get dark and I forgot to bring my headlight. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon.